Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to enable or set hotspot in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 in your PC or in your laptop, then you want to set hotspot. So let's see how can you do that. So you just have to enter or tap on this menu option here, and you will see hotspot over here. You can also select hotspot from your settings. Just click on this window icon and then select settings from here. Now in settings, you can directly search for hotspot, or you can also go to network and internet and then select hotspot from here. Just select mobile hotspot. If you want to enable this, just enable this toggle and it will be enabled. So you can select from here you want to share your hotspot. You can share over your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth, or you can also share my internet connection from Wi-Fi or Ethernet, which one you want to. So on this page, if you want to edit your info like your name and password, so you can also edit from here. Just have this edit option and then you can write your name and your password here. So let's say I want to write one. So once you have successfully edited your name and your password, you just have on this save option and your settings will be saved. It might take a while, almost 5 to 10 seconds to save. And after that, your hotspot is now ready. You can easily send your hotspot to any device which one you want to, or you can also scan this QR code to connect with your hotspot. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.